Welcome to the Budget Boss, where we unlock the secrets to smarter money management and building wealth. In today's episode, we're diving into a financial superpower that can transform your future, the power of compound interest. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll see how even small investments can grow into massive wealth over time. Let's start with the basics. What is compound interest? In simple terms, it's earning interest on your initial investment on the interest your investment has already earned. This process of reinvesting allows your money to grow exponentially. Albert Einstein himself called it the eighth wonder of the world and said, "Those who understand it earn it, those who don't pay it." Here's the formula for compound interest. A is the amount of money you'll have in the future. P is your principal, the initial investment. R is the annual interest rate. N is how often the interest compounds each year. T is the number of years you invest. It might sound a bit complicated, but trust me, the results are worth it. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25 with a 10% annual return. By the time you turn 65, you'd have over $700,000. But if you waited until age 35 to start, you'd have just around $260,000. That's nearly $500,000 less for delaying by just 10 years. This is why starting early is important. To make compound interest work for you, you need three things. First, time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Second, consistency. Regular contributions are essential to build momentum. And finally, patience. Compound interest works best over the long term, so stay invested. Now, while compound interest can grow your wealth, it can also work you when it comes to debt. Credit card balances, for example, often come with high interest rates that compound daily. This is why paying off high-interest debt is crucial before you start investing. Start investing even if it's a small amount. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Reinvest your earnings, don't cash out dividends early. Avoid emotional investing. Stick to your plan and let compound interest do its job. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small and slow, but as it gains momentum, it grows larger and moves faster. That's exactly how compound interest works. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. So, what's the takeaway here? The power of compound interest lies in its ability to make time your greatest ally. Even small, consistent investments can lead to financial freedom, but the key is to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Budget Boss, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And hey, drop a comment below. What's stopping you from starting your investing journey right now? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and remember, be the boss of your budget. See you next time.